Well, welcome back, scientists. I found a space mystery that has puzzled people for a long time. The sun is the brightest object in our solar system. So why does outer space still look black? Let's investigate with science.
Look up high on a sunny day. The sun sends light in every way. Its energy travels far and wide, across the planets, side to side. If sunlight fills our solar system bright, why isn't space full of glowing light? Let's solve this puzzle one small clue at a time, using observation, facts, and science. Light moves in straight lines through open space, zooming along at an amazing pace. It doesn't stop or slow for long. It keeps on traveling, swift and strong. The sun shines in every direction around, sending light where planets can be found. That light keeps moving every single day, even when nothing gets in its way. Your eyes don't see light floating alone. They need light that's reflected or shown. When light bounces off an object nearby, that's when the image reaches your eye. Trees, rocks, planets, moons, and more reflect sunlight instead of making their own. That's why we can see them shining bright when sunlight reflects into our sight. Here on Earth we have air all around. Tiny particles can't be seen or found. They scatter sunlight across the sky, making blue colors reach our eyes. That's why daytime skies look bright and blue, even when you're not facing the sun. Our atmosphere spreads the sunlight around, lighting the sky from town to town. Outer space is mostly empty, it's true. Very little matter is passing through. There's almost no air to scatter light, so space stays dark instead of bright. Sunlight is still traveling all around, but little is there for it to rebound. Without tiny particles filling the way, the darkness remains both night and day. When sunlight reaches the moon so gray, it reflects that light back our way. The planets sparkle because they reflect, just like Earth does, you'd expect. Astronauts, spacecraft, satellites too can shine when sunlight reaches their view. Anything sunlight bounces from, you'll find, can become visible to human eyes. Far beyond our sun are countless stars, separated by enormous distances far. Each one shines with its very own light across the universe. Day and night, space seems dark between each glowing star, because they're spread incredibly far apart. The universe is vast beyond compare, with huge empty spaces almost everywhere. Now the answer's clear to everyone. The darkness isn't because of the sun. Our star is shining all the time, sending out light that's bright and fine. Space looks dark because it's mostly bare, with very little matter almost anywhere. Science helps us understand what we see by asking questions with curiosity.
Fantastic investigating, scientists. Today we discovered that the sun shines in every direction. Light travels through space in straight lines. We see objects when light reflects into our eyes. Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, making our sky look blue. Outer space has very little matter, so sunlight isn't scattered there. That's why space looks dark, even though the sun is incredibly bright. Keep asking big questions, because every mystery can lead to an amazing scientific discovery. Quick science quiz. Question 1. Why does Earth's sky look blue during the day? A. The oceans make it blue. B. Air in Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight. C. The sun shines blue. Answer. B. Tiny particles in Earth's atmosphere scatter sunlight, making the sky appear blue. Question 2. Why does outer space look dark? A. The sun turns off at night. B. Space is mostly empty, so very little light is scattered. C. The moon blocks the sunlight. Answer. B. Space contains very little matter to scatter sunlight toward our eyes. Question 3. Why can we see the moon? A. It creates its own light. B. It reflects sunlight. C. It glows because it's hot. Answer. B. The moon doesn't make its own visible light. It reflects sunlight. Question 4. How does light usually travel? A. In zigzags. B. In circles. C. In straight lines. Answer. C. Light travels in straight lines unless it is reflected, refracted, or scattered. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep shining.